you so much, sir, for inviting me on this stage. So, once again, a very tremendous morning to all. This is Mamta, and today I'm here with a topic, and the topic is the unspoken rules of a relationship. Generally, relationship is a word which contains 13 letters. Yes. Now, today I'm going to talk about this word. Generally, in this generation, what is happening? Relationship we have made it complicated because like if you see the relationship, it is a bond with your father, with your mother, not only with your boyfriend and girlfriend, it is also contain your colleagues, your students. So in this term, like if I talk about the word that is relationship, so the problem which we are facing, it is a very simple problem, and that is patience. Why? In relationship there is no patience. Try to understand what do I mean. It means like if your father scolds you and you become hyper, but you don't have patience to wait when he become cool and calm, then I will ask that why did you scold me? So somewhere there is lackness of patience, and that is why the relationship is being complicated. Next thing, in relationship, what is the main problem which currently you will face and you might face that? And that is a very simple thing, that is understanding. Try to understand the base of relationship, it is understanding. There is a quotation that a healthy relationship is built on a unwavering trust. It means there should be understanding that why is it happening. But what is the problem? We do not understand, we don't want to understand. Somewhere being frustrated, as sir said that these days we are frustrated. In this frustration, somewhere we just ruin our relationship. And that is very important to understand. If you become frustrated, so of course there will be no solution. I want to know that if you become frustrated, then what do you get? You get nothing, you get only self-doubt. So your self-doubt make your relationship more worse. Somewhere you should understand that. And one more thing is that in relationship, if you see, currently what I see with my friends, if you see the relationship, you will find that they require sudden action. Like they don't want to wait, as I said, patience. But the another thing is that they want to take action suddenly, and that cannot be a good thing. There is no emotional support in relationship these days now. Try to understand what is emotional support. Try to understand. Let's share an example. If your father slapped you, then who comes to you? Your father. Your mother comes to you and she says, what happened? Don't worry, he is your father. So somewhere your father couldn't show his emotional love for you, but your mother showed. And that is what thing is there. In relationship, if a person is practical, so next time you have to be emotional. If that person is emotional, then you have to be practical. This is how your relation can work. It is not only for any father and daughter, it is for everyone. If my friend is practical, if my friend is talking practically, so of course I have to understand emotionally as well, that why is it like going there. And if I am being practical, then I have to understand that he has to be emotional. So this is the best balance. Now the topic today which I selected, that is unspoken rules. So the first rule which I am going to share, that is like important, like space is as important as togetherness. Space is understand, privacy. Try to understand if somebody is not sharing something, so of course that might be something which he or she doesn't want to share. So we should understand that he has privacy in his life, or she has as well. It is not just what happened, tell me what happened. It will not make you perfect. It will not make your relationship perfect. Leave that person for a while. As I said, if your father scolded you, leave him for a while. He will not say that if you go and ask again, he will slap you again. So somewhere giving space is very important. Please pay that. If you do not give the privacy to the person, of course the relationship just like you can say the tires of cycle. If the front is punctured, your back cannot work. It might work, but for how long? Not for too much, for too long. But try to understand, if both tires are fine, then your bicycle will be fine. Yes. The second rule, it is not rule, but it is necessary to have in a relationship. That is patience and acceptance. There's a quotation: relationship isn't about perfection, it is about acceptance. Do not expect too much. You know very well, if you expect too much, of course you will get hurt by her or him. So do not expect too much. Accept him how he or how she is, the way. It is very important. You know, your father always expects to you, like my son, my daughter will rock. But you know, sometimes he becomes unable to understand that I can, like my daughter or my son might have problems. So somewhere he has expectations, but we have to accept his expectations. And somewhere we have to make him accept our expectations. That Papa, I want to become Ambani, but I want 10 crore rupees from you. So somewhere this should be also there. The third thing which I consider it is very important, and it is necessary to understand that enemy is not a conflict is not an enemy. If there is fight, no issue. It is not a big deal. But yes, disrespect is. In fighting, if you lose your temper and if you become if you disrespect your friend, if you disrespect your father, if your parents or your colleagues, so that is the problem. You know, if there is any relationship, problems will be there, hurdles will be there. But if you disrespect, that is the problem. If I hurt him, so of course what will happen? There will be knot in my relation. And that knot cannot make it stronger. Try to understand. If you just break a string and you just knot it, it will not be that much stronger. Yes, people think that after knotting it will be, but there will be a knot. It will not be a smooth string. So we should understand that it is very important. If there is problem, so do not disrespect. Do not lose your temper. It is very important that who is in front of you have to be cool and calm. And then your relationship can work and can be the best. And last, I would say only one thing. Relationship is just like a tree. It requires a good environment, patience and care. How stronger you make it, that much longer it will be. So that's what. Thank you so much.